Ever wonder how much time you actually spend on your phone each week? On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can check a full weekly report inside Digital Wellbeing. To do so, go to Settings, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, and then tap it. At the top right, tap Weekly Report icon. Here, you will see an overview on your phone habit. At the top, there's the Past 4 Weeks menu, so you can pick which week you want to review. You will also get a bar graph with your daily average screen time, showing how much you use your phone each day. Below that, you will find insight like when you are most active, your most used app, and even things like how much you use your phone while walking or driving. This overview helps you spot trends like if your screen time is going up or if certain apps take most of your focus. So if you are trying to stay mindful about your phone usage, checking this weekly report is a great way to start. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.